Hello, I'm Joshua. I want to share information about our robust leadership program that we launched in 2020. This program guides participants to enhance their self-awareness and leadership skills. It's all about talent development. We have a 3-point LITC process of leadership training, which is a proven method of helping employees develop soft skills and deliver real and tangible results. Companies that invest in learning and development will also generate a positive culture with bottom-line results. First, each participant completes an assessment in behavior and motivation, DISC, emotional intelligence or EQ, and stress management or SQ. Second, we schedule one-to-one debriefing and coaching sessions to help the participant understand their customized report. Third, we conduct group engagements. We hold a live, virtual, and interactive program. It is a 16-hour program. Each session is 2 hours and is held within a 4-week program. Go to our contact page and schedule a 30-minute conversation with one of our team members to learn how this program can increase retention and sustain talent at your company or organization. Contact us today. Stay well and see you in the clouds.